Remedies presents. You will be surprised to know the amazing health benefits of guava leaves. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video you will learn about the potential health benefits of guava leaves. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Guava fruit provides certain health benefits to our body. But did you know that even guava leaves offer much health benefits as well? I have done a video on the health benefits of guava fruit. I will post the link in the description for reference. Check out the surprising and amazing benefits you can reap from this common leaf. Beneficial for diabetics. Japan has approved guava leaf tea as to effectively lower blood glucose in diabetics by reducing the alpha-glucosidase enzyme activity. Moreover, it prevents the absorption of sucrose and maltose by the body, thereby lowering blood sugar levels. Drinking guava leaf tea for 12 weeks lowers the blood sugar levels without increasing insulin production. Reduces acne. Due to their high percentage of vitamin C, guava leaves can help get rid of acne when crushed and applied to trouble spots. Aid in weight loss. For this purpose, the carbs must be broken down in the liver for use by the body, and guava leaves prevent the transition of carbohydrates to usable compounds. Lower cholesterol. Research have proved that drinking guava leaf tea for 3 months can lead to reduction in LDL or bad cholesterol and triglycerides without any adverse effect on good cholesterol. Besides, the guava leaves are a great liver tonic. Lowers risk of cancer. Guava leaves can lower the risk of cancer, especially breast, prostate and oral cancers, due to high quantities of the antioxidant lycopene. Various studies have revealed that lycopene plays a significant role in lowering the risk of cancer. Improves your immunity. Due to its high vitamin C content, guava leaf tea helps boost the immune system, thereby reducing the risk of various illnesses. Prostate cancer. Guava leaves can be beneficial in case of prostate cancer and enlargement. Reduction in allergies. Guava leaves prevent the release of histamine. Moreover, the compounds found in guava leaves are effective in blocking all allergic reactions. Improves quality of sleep. Drinking guava leaf tea regularly helps improve quality of sleep. It calms your nerves and quietens your mind, making it easier to slip into slumber. Beats toothache. Guava leaves are anti-inflammatory in nature and help in maintaining good oral health. Guava leaf tea works as a fantastic home remedy for toothache, swollen gums and oral ulcers due to the powerful antibacterial agents. You can also grind the leaves into a paste and apply it to your gums and teeth to cure these problems. Beneficial in dengue fever. Guava leaves are considered a natural remedy for dengue fever. This is because guava leaf extract can increase the number of platelets in the blood and is not toxic at all. For this purpose, 9 pieces of guava leaves should be boiled in 5 cups of water until 3 cups of water is left. After straining and cooling, a cup of this concoction should be given to the patient thrice a day. Keeps skin healthy. Guavas have high astringent properties, and guava leaves rank even higher. Apply a decoction of the leaves on your skin to help tone and tighten facial muscles. Eat guava daily to enjoy healthy skin. Prevents hair loss. Suffering from hair loss? Guava leaves for hair can keep all your hair-related problems at bay. Guava leaves can be boiled and massaged onto the scalp. Guava is rich in antioxidants that could do wonders for volume of hair. Note: make sure the water is cool before applying to the scalp. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.